In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export audio only as an MP3 file in Clipchamp, all within just 5 minutes. Whether you're creating a podcast, extracting a soundtrack, or simply want the audio out of a video, Clipchamp makes the process fast and straightforward. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Clipchamp to bring up the homepage. Clipchamp is a popular online platform known for its intuitive video editing capabilities, and best of all, it's accessible directly from your browser with no need for downloads or installations. Once the homepage loads, the next step is to log in to your Clipchamp account. If you don't yet have an account, it's easy to create one. Just follow the prompts to sign up, and you'll be ready to go in no time. After logging in, you'll need to open a new project. On the dashboard, there's an option to start a new project which allows you to create something from scratch or edit an existing video if you have one prepared. With your new project open, it's time to add the content you want to extract audio from. You can either import a video file or record your own voice using Clipchamp's recording tools. Simply drag and drop your video onto the project timeline. The timeline is where you'll see each part of your project laid out visually, making it easy to edit. Once your video or voice recording is on the timeline, check to ensure everything is aligned as you want it. When you're satisfied, look towards the top right corner of the editor. There you will find the Export button. Clicking this button gives you several options for how you can save or share your project. For extracting just the audio, you need to focus on the Export Settings menu that appears after you hit Export. From these settings, select the Audio Only option. It's important to choose this option because it will ensure that the video component is not included in the export, giving you exactly what you need, an audio file. Finally, with your settings in place, click the Export button again to start the process. Clipchamp will begin converting your project into an audio file, which is saved in the .m4a format by default. This format is widely compatible, making it easy to use across various devices or platforms. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully exported audio only from a video using Clipchamp. This quick process is perfect for anyone needing audio content from their projects without the hassle of complex software. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to give it a try, and happy editing.